Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican pickled jalapenos and carrots. Sterilize jars, wash vegetables, and lay out ingredients so you can work smoothly. I recommend tasting your brine before filling jars to adjust salt and sugar to your preference. Keep a towel and a bowl for seeds nearby, and work carefully with the peppers to avoid touching your face. In this video, I will show how to make Mexican pickled jalapenos and carrots. Heat the brine until the sugar and salt fully dissolve, then lower the heat so it stays warm but not boiling. Add aromatics like garlic and bay leaf early so flavors infuse, and remove bay leaf before filling jars if you prefer a milder finish. Keep the brine warm while you pack the jars tightly. In this video, I will show how to make Mexican pickled jalapenos and carrots. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy cooking with music, the Echo Dot smart speaker fills the kitchen with clear sound and hands-free timers, making prep more fun and efficient. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for background tunes while you slice and simmer. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Mexican pickled jalapenos and carrots. Pack the jars so flavors distribute evenly and pour the hot brine to cover all vegetables, leaving proper headspace. Wipe the jar rims, seal with lids, and let them cool undisturbed until they click or settle. Refrigerate after cooling and wait a day for flavors to marry, though they taste great after a few hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.